Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the environment. Make a restore point and ensure you have admin rights so you can undo changes if needed. Next, identify every remote tool installed: remote desktop, TeamViewer, AnyDesk, VNC, SSH, and Note versions. Once done, cut network access to prevent remote control while you work. Disable Wi-Fi or unplug Ethernet. Also terminate active remote sessions in Task Manager or Activity Monitor, so no connection interrupts the uninstall sequence. You now remove the software itself. Run the official uninstaller via Programs and Features, Settings, or the app's uninstall tool. Follow vendor prompts to remove drivers and services. Then hunt startup items, Task Manager startup, launch agents on Mac OS, cron/systemd units on Linux, and run keys in the registry, and delete them. Once uninstalled, search for orphan services, scheduled tasks, and leftover drivers, and run a full antivirus/malware scan to catch hidden components or installers. You finish by rebooting and verifying no remote listeners remain. Use netstat or SS to check open ports and remove any unexpected services. Make sure to change all account passwords, revoke SSH keys and certificates, and enable multi-factor authentication so future access requires explicit approval. Finally, audit user accounts and logs for suspicious activity. If removal fails or remote access persists, boot into safe mode or an offline rescue environment. Run deep antivirus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.